Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's chapter is inequalities, 11th standard for class 11 standard. In this chapter, we are going to start few sums on inequalities. First of all, you have to know what is inequality. We know equalities x greater equals to 5, y equals to 6. This is called equal. Value of x is 5, value of y is 6. And inequality means x greater than 5 or less than 5, y greater than 5 or less than 5. This is called greater than, this is called less than. That is inequalities. By quadratic inequalities, we mean an inequality ax square plus bx plus c greater or less than 0. That is a quadratic inequality. If we write this equals to 0, that is called equality by equation. It is a quadratic equation. And if we write this less than, greater than or less than 0, that is called quadratic inequality. Now let's discuss few sums from this chapter inequalities. There are 6 questions. Sum number 1 is here. Find the range of real value of x for this expression, this less than this. Now let us take this left hand side, that is x minus 1 by 4x plus 5 minus x minus 3 by 4x minus 3 less than 0. This comes left hand side. Now doing subtraction, taking LCM, 4x plus 5 over 4x minus 3. 4x plus 5 over 4x minus 3. Do subtraction, x minus 1, 4x minus 3 minus x minus 3, 4x plus 5. This is less than 0. To multiplication, 4x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 3 minus 4x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 15 over 4x plus 5, 4x minus 3 less than 0. If we do remove the bracket, the sign will be changed. This will be minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. 4x square cancel. Minus 7x plus minus 7x, that is only 18 over 15 plus 3, 18, that is minus 7, minus 12 plus 12 cancel, over 4x plus 5, 4x minus 3 less than 0. Now if we multiply denominator, portion, both numerator and denominator, that is 4x plus 5, 4x minus 3, this will be square. Okay, that means we can write 18, 4x plus 5, 4x minus 3 less than 0. That implies 80, that implies 4 common, x plus 5 by 4, again 4 common, x minus 3 by 4 less than 0. Then we can say lies between, that is x plus 5 by 4, this is 4 is common, x minus 3 by 4. Therefore we can write minus 5 by 4 less than x less than 3 by 4. This is the range of this solution x. That means we can write, if you write on number line, this is minus 5 by 4 this is 0, this is 3 by 4. So x will lie within this range. That means we can write symbolically minus 5 by 4, comma 3 by 4. That will be within first bracket. This means this does not included within this interval minus 5 by less than minus 5 by 4, less than 3 by 4. Within this interval x will be situated. That is, the first bracket means minus 5 by 4 should not be included, 3 by 4 should not be included. That is, symbolically we can write this solution, the range of the real value of x for this expression. Next, sum number 2. Let's do sum number 2 here. That is same kind of sum. Find range of the real value of x for this expression. Similarly, just like previous sum, take half left hand side. Question number 2. X square minus 2x plus 5 over 3x square minus 2x minus 5 minus half greater than 0. Do subtraction taking LCM. 2 3x square minus 2x minus 5. This divided this 2x square minus 4x plus 10 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 greater than 0. That is minus x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 15 over 2 into 3x square minus 2x minus 5 greater than 0. Multiplying minus, if we do multiply minus, greater will be less. That suppose minus x greater than 5, then x should be less than minus 5. That is the condition of inequality. Now we can write multiply minus, that is x square plus 2x minus 15 by multiply 2, if we, this 2 will be cancelled. That is 3x square minus 2x minus 5 less than 0. This will be less than 0. Now doing middle term break, that is x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. That is 15 is product value, 3x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 5x plus 3x minus 5x minus 5 less than 0. That is, we can write x common, x plus 5 minus 3 common, x plus 5 over 3x is common, x plus 1 minus 5 common, x plus 1 less than 0. That we can write x plus 5 x minus 3 over x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 less than 0. Now if we multiply both numerator and denominator, this one, that is x plus 1, 3 is common, x minus 5 by 3, here 3 is common, x minus 5 by 3, 3 is common, x minus 5 by 3, that is, we can write whole square. This is whole square. This should be less than 0. There is 3 also. Now, therefore, we can write implies x plus 5 x minus 3 x plus 1 x minus 5 by 3 less than 0. Therefore, minus 5 less than x less than minus 1. This is one range. Another range is 3 1/3 less than x, 1/3 less than x less than 3. Is 2 in 1/3. Now 5, this is 5/3. This is 5/3. So this and this, within this we can write symbolically minus 5 minus 1 and 5/3 3. Minus 5 minus 1 5/3. This is symbolically you can write, and this is by inequation. This is 1. This is the true range of the value of x. From this expression you can write. Next, sum number 3. Show that for all real value of x, the expression has greatest value 3 and least value 1/3. Greatest value 3, least value 1/3. So let the expression be y. Question number 3. X square minus 2x plus 4 by x square plus 2x plus 4, let this equals to y. Now doing cross multiplication implies x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to x square y plus 2xy plus 4y. This coming left hand side, this should be minus, this should be minus, this should be minus, equals to 0. Now x square 1 minus y minus 2x 1 plus y plus 4 minus 2y equals to 0. This is quadratic second degree equation of x. This is A and this is B and this is C. As real value of x, as x is real, therefore discriminant should be greater than equals to 0. Discriminant key, what is discriminant? That is b square minus 4ac should be greater than equals to 0. This is A, this portion is B, you can write x is here. This is B and this is C, that is b square minus 4, that is minus 2 y plus 1 b square minus 4 into 1 minus y into 4 minus 2y equals greater than equals to 0. Here discriminant should be greater than equals to 0, that is 4 minus 4y. We can take 4 common here, 4 4 the 16, 1 minus y. 16 1 minus y. That means 4 y square plus 2y plus 1 minus 16 1 minus 2y plus y square greater than equals to 0. Now divide 4 both sides. Implies that is y square plus 2y plus 1 divide 4, that is minus 4 plus 8y minus 4 y square greater than equals to 0. Then do addition subtraction, minus 3y square plus 10y minus 3 greater than equals to 0. If we multiply minus both sides, that will be changed, that is 3y square minus 10y plus 3 should be less than equals to 0. Now doing middle term break, 3y square minus 9y minus y plus 3 less than equals to 0. 3y is common, y minus 3 minus 1 common, y minus 3 less than equals 0, that is 3y minus 1, y minus 3, that implies 3 common, y minus 1 by 3, y minus 3. So our solution is less than 0, that is y 1 by 3 less than y less than 3. This is our find the real value of x for this 3 at value of 3 and least value. Here greatest value 3 and least value is 1 by 3. That is y 1 by 3. This is called greatest value. Within this 1 by 3 on number line, 1 by 3, this is 0, this is 3. This is 0, this is 1 by 3, this is 3. So this is called greatest value, this is called least value. So we can say the least value and greatest value from this expression we can find out. Next, do sum number 4. Sum number 4, if x is real, prove that this expression cannot lie between value of the expression real, prove that value of this expression, value of this expression cannot lie between minus 7 to 1. Just like previous one, let's do sum number 4. Let 2x square minus 2x plus 4 by x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to y. Just like previous sum, let this be equals to y. Let that we can write 2x square minus 2x plus 4 minus x square y plus 4xy minus 3y equals 0, implies x square is common, 2 minus y, this and this, minus 2x, 1 minus 2y, we can write x here, plus 4 minus 3y, that is a quadratic equation of x, we can write. Now as x is real, therefore discriminant should be greater than equal to 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac should be greater than equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation of x. Now this is a, this is b, and this is c, that is b square, that is implies minus 2, 1 minus 2y, b square minus 4 into 2 minus y into 4 minus 3y greater than equals to 0. 4, which is 3. If we multiply, that is 4, 1 minus 4y plus 4y square minus 4, 8 minus 6y, this is 4, minus 4y plus 3y square greater than equal to 0. 4 should be, divide both sides, this 4 will be removed. Now implies 1 minus 4y plus 4y square minus 8 plus 10y minus 3y square greater than equals to 0. That is y square plus 6y minus 7 greater than equals to 0. Simplifying this, now doing between term break. y square plus 7y minus y minus 7 greater than equal to 0 implies y plus 7 minus 1 y plus 7 greater than equal to 0, that is y plus 7 y minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Therefore minus 7 our y greater than equals to minus 7 y greater than equals to 1. Now this is our condition. We have to prove cannot lie between minus 1 to 7. Suppose this is our number line, this is minus 7 and this is 1. Suppose this is 0. Our question is, within this range, this expression, value of the expression will not lie. Suppose within this expression, value, suppose minus 7 less than greater than minus 7. Suppose minus 6. Let us satisfy here minus 6, that is positive. When y equals to minus 6, that is positive, and minus 7, that is negative. Positive into negative, that is negative. But the condition will not satisfy. This coming left hand side coming negative. Therefore, condition given this should be greater than 0. That is positive. Therefore, this is not satisfied. And if y greater than 1, if y greater than 1, within this, when y less than 1, that is half, suppose. Within this interval, that is greater than 1, but within this interval, suppose y's value is half. Put it here. Half plus 1 is positive, half minus 1 is negative. So, multi value is negative, but it is greater than 0. Therefore, this will not satisfy also. Therefore, within this range, that is minus 7 to 1, the value between this range cannot lie between minus 7 and 1. Minus 7 and 1, within this range, the value of the expression will not satisfy, cannot lie between this. Therefore, hence proved. Next, sum number 5. This is the inequation. Solve the inequality here. Here, question number 5. X by 4 less than, taking LCM, 15 is LCM, 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9. Doing subtraction, this one, that is x by 4 implies less than 21 minus 25, that is 4x minus 1 by 15. The cross multiplication, 16x minus 4 less than 15x, coming left hand side, x minus 4 less than 0, that is x less than 0, x less than 4. So solution is x less than 4. Our solution will be 4 x less than 4. Our solution is 4 to x less than x, it is 16x minus 4. X less than 4 means minus infinity to 4. This is the solution, minus infinity to 4. This is 0, this is 4, and here is minus infinity, here is infinity. Within this range, x will be situated, that is solution is minus infinity to 4. As it is less than minus infinity and 4 should not be included, that is x less than 4, on number line we can write. Next, sum number 6. Just like previous one, doing subtraction. Question number 6. 2x minus 1 by 3 less than equals, doing subtraction, 20 is LCM. 15x minus 15x minus 10 minus 8 plus 4x implies 2x minus 1 by 3 less than equals to 19x minus 18 by 20 implies 40x minus 20 less than equals to 57x minus 54 implies coming left hand side, that is minus 17x less than equals to minus 34. If we do multiply both sides, less than will be greater than, that is 17x greater than equals to 34, that is x greater than equals to 2. We have to find solution. So our solution is 2 to infinity, but 2 is included, infinity is excluded. Within this, symbolically we can write x greater than equals to 2, as it is equals to, this should be included, that is 0, 1, 2 to infinity, that is this is dotted and this should be your solution. 2 to infinity, this is not included. To infinity, this is this third bracket means not included, and first bracket included, and first bracket means excluded, not included, infinity. Okay, now please make a note of the sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.